Hello, this is Shabnam Lutfi, and I'm making another private video for the plaintiffs in our lawsuit. Just wanted to give you guys an update that I am currently in San Francisco. I have met with a couple law firms here who are interested in supporting our case. I've also met with an attorney in Madison, Wisconsin, who is extraordinary, who's incredibly talented, has over 40 years of litigating experience, and he would also like to join our cause and our lawsuit. So we've put together a team of really smart, dedicated, talented people who are in this with us. They have given me some homework assignments. One thing particularly is to make sure that the facts are 100% accurate and that there's no mistake anywhere. So what I'm asking everybody, all the plaintiffs, to do is, if you can, please forward to me pretty much every single communication that you've had with the embassies, any approval notice that you have from USCIS. So if you filed an I-130, an I-140, an I-129F, anything you have from USCIS, a receipt notice, an approval notice, please forward that to us. Please forward also any communications you have with the State Department, the National Visa Center, or the consulate, specifically the consulates abroad. We're also going to be asking everybody to write a declaration. So in addition to that evidence, we want everybody to have a sworn testimony saying that these are the facts of my case and everything that I'm writing here and everything that I'm saying is true. We have a sample template declaration written, and I'll forward that to everybody so that you have something to work off of. If you'd like us to review it before you get it notarized, we're happy to do that. The other thing that you want to make sure that you add in your declaration is any discussion, any facts about harm that has been caused, that you have gone through as a result of the government's actions. So while everybody wants to file a lawsuit, you can't stay in court unless you have a claim, and you can't have a claim unless you have injury. So it's really, really, really important that everybody is able to talk about the harm that they are suffering as a result of the government's inability to allow your family member to apply for a waiver. We have one of the plaintiffs here who ended up canceling her wedding. That's harm. That is significant harm. That's emotional harm, and that's financial harm. So make sure you talk about that. If you lost a job offer, include that. If you had medical issues, include that. If you have emotional harm, the stress, the anxiety that you and your fiance have gone through as a result of this, include all of that. Any fees that you have paid, attorney fees, anything else, include all of that in your story, because that's what we need in order to keep the case alive. If we can keep the case alive, I've been told by other attorneys that we've got a pretty good shot here. So this is really, really important. And it's also really, really, really important that the facts of the case are accurate to the T. So we can't have mistakes. We got to make sure that the stories are 100% accurate and there's evidence to support the stories. Other than that, I don't have much other updates for you guys. If you did not send the consent form yet, please do so quickly. There are attorneys that are helping us out. There are people who are going to help us raise money for the cause in the suit. There are law students that want to help us. So the support is there. That's about it, really. We just got to clean this up and get moving forward. If anybody has any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer and help out in any way that I can. Take care. Thanks. Bye.